Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To optimize the performance of Valorant on your PC, start by locating the Valorant game shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, find the Run drop-down menu and set it to Minimize. Next, navigate to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save these settings. Next, open the search menu at the bottom of your screen and type in Windows Features. Open the Turn Windows Features On or Off program from the search results. Once inside, ensure that the Hyper-V feature is disabled. Then, locate both the Virtual Machine Platform and the Windows Hypervisor platform features and disable them as well. While you're in this menu, press the M key to quickly find and ensure that the Microsoft Defender Application Guard is also turned off. Save these changes and exit the program. To further configure your system, right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. In the Run dialog, type ncpa-cpl and press Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. In the Wi-Fi adapter properties, find and select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 option, then click on Properties. Change the DNS settings to use a custom DNS by entering Google's DNS addresses, 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS server. Click OK to apply the changes and close the Properties window. Following this, run command prompt as an administrator. To do this, search for CMD in the search menu, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, enter the commands scdelete-vgc and scdelete-vgk, pressing Enter after each command to execute them. This will remove the Vanguard anti-cheat services from your system. Finally, restart your PC to apply all these changes. Once your computer restarts, open File Explorer and navigate to the Program Files directory. Locate and delete the Riot Vanguard folder. This should complete the optimization process for running Valorant smoothly on your system. So that's basically how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.